Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll show how to make this PWM controller for controlling LED brightness or motor speed. So basically this is based on LM555 IC, and by this configuration we can control the LED or DC motor by this MOSFET, and by adjusting the duty cycle with this 200 kilo ohm preset we can adjust the output voltage. So let's see the working of the circuit. So this is the ground, and this is the 12 volt supply, 12 volt motor. For this we have to connect the output wires. Now the output motor is connected, and I increase the so at first the speed is very low. You can see the rotation speed of this motor. Now I increase the output voltage by rotating the preset. So you can hear the motor sound and the speed of this shaft. Now I increase the rotation of this motor. We can also test this high power LED, like this 4 volt high power LED. Now we can connect on the breadboard directly. So it's glowing very low, and like this. Now increase the output. As you see, the brightness is increasing very slowly. So this is a PWM control. You can also see the line on the camera, like stuttering like this, because this is duty cycle. When I increase the duty cycle, it's flickering little bit, but it's only in the camera. In the real life it's a very smooth output. I also added a inductor for output is smoothing, and a capacitor. Now this is a 4 volt, so I cannot increase the voltage more because the LED will damage. Also the output voltage you can see on the multimeter. So like this I see in it's a 4 volt. Now I'm decreasing the voltage, like see in the multimeter, it's decreasing very smooth from 4 volt to below, and the brightness is also decreasing. So the minimum voltage is 2.5 volt at lowest preset configuration. Also control the speed of this motor. So at initial position you can see the shaft is rotating very low speed. Now increase the rotation by increasing the voltage, or we can see on the screen. Now increasing the slowly increasing the potentiometer rotation, and also increasing the output voltage. So this is the basic working of the PWM controlled LED or motor speed controller. Also you can see a diode on the output. So this diode protects from any back EMF of inductive load, like this motor. to protect from any voltage spike from this motor to damage MOSFET. And also this circuit can work up to 30 volts. And for the 555 IC we can use any regulator IC, so we can give over 12 volts. In my case I giving the 12 volt input. So this is for today. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And also all the details and circuit diagram of this circuit is given in the description, so check out, and thanks for watching.